Hey guys, it's Elaine Michaels here, and I've been away for a while, but now I'm back with a new video, and I figured I would share what it is that I'm doing at home since I have so much free time at home. And I've been growing my own green onions, and I thought, what a great way to use my green onions by making a giant green onion pancake or scallion pancake. Some people call it one way, some people call it the other way, but the big thing is it's a pancake with stuffing of like oil and scallion. There's very few ingredients in this. It's really super easy to do. You just need flour, water, salt, oil, scallions, lots of scallions, and maybe a little bit of 5-spice powder. I happen to have it in my kitchen. So yeah, I decided to cut up my green onions today and share with you one particular recipe that I use to make scallion pancake, and I'm hoping it's going to make a really jumbo size scallion pancake. Never had it this size before. All right, let's get to it. So as you can see, a couple months ago I put the ends of my green onion, because it's hard to get from the supermarket, I didn't go that often to the supermarket, I put them in a little bit of soil here, and they've grown quite a bit that they're falling down now. So now I think it's ready to use them and to put them into, of course, my green onion pancake. So I'm going to chop these down and cut them up into little bits. Okay, so here I've got my flour, which is about 500 grams. And what you want to do is put 1 teaspoon of salt into the flour. It's a pretty simple recipe. And then right here, I've got about 300 milliliters of hot water, which we're going to slowly pour into here while we're mixing. So first you want to just make like a little well in the center as best you can, and just pour a little bit at a time and start mixing it up. And as the dough kind of forms around the water, then what you want to do is pour a little bit of water in the dry parts and kind of slowly mix it in. Okay, you want to use hot water because that way it'll just kind of like soak into the gluten part of the flour. And I hope it'll make this dough really nice and easy to work with. Okay, so here I've rolled all the dough. I haven't added any extra water, and it's gonna sit in this bowl for about half an hour. And while it's doing that, I'm gonna get the other part ready. All right, and here we have all the scallion cut up. It looks like a lot of scallion, but you'll see it kind of spreads out in the big green onion pancake. So now the dough should be about ready. I'm going to start rolling it out and see what happens. Okay, here I have laid out a little bit of flour and my 5-spice powder, a little bit of white pepper, probably going to get a little bit of salt, and put a little bit of flour on my rolling pin to get ready for my dough, which has been sitting and resting for a little bit right here. And I'm going to put it out and start rolling it out. spread this oil around. All right, here's my hot pan. Oh. Whew. Hot. Oof. Look at this. That is pretty amazing. Ooh, hot. And there you have it. Giant scallion pancake. You can have a little dipping sauce of soy sauce and chili sauce with a little sesame, and you can dip it in there, but it's really great just by itself. I mean, you really don't need anything, only if you want a little extra. And here we are.